Our journey begins in the ancient world, where lions once roamed from Europe to India. These majestic creatures were revered and feared in equal measure, becoming symbols of royalty, power, and courage. This awe-inspiring status is evident in the art and mythology of ancient civilizations, from the Sphinx of Egypt to the lion-headed goddess Sekhmet, and from the Nemean lion of Greek mythology to the Asiatic lions depicted in the Mauryan Empire's Ashoka pillars. The Middle Ages saw the lion's reputation continue to grow. In heraldry, the lion became a popular emblem, symbolizing bravery, nobility, royalty, strength, and valor. It graced the coats of arms of numerous kingdoms and noble families, from England to Scotland, and from the Low Countries to Scandinavia. In literature too, lions held a prominent place. Whether it's the cowardly lion in The Wizard of Oz seeking courage, or Aslan, the powerful and wise lion in The Chronicles of Narnia, these characters reflect our enduring fascination and respect for these creatures. Moving into the modern era, the lion's range has dramatically decreased due to habitat loss, human conflict, and poaching. Once spread across most of Africa, Europe, the Middle East, and the Indian subcontinent, they now predominantly live in sub-Saharan Africa, with a small population in the Gir forest of India. Despite the challenges, efforts to conserve and protect lions are ongoing. Various organizations and projects worldwide are dedicated to lion conservation, striving to protect their habitats, reduce human-lion conflict, and combat poaching. In summary, the history of lions is as rich and diverse as the landscapes they've roamed. From being revered in ancient mythology, art, and literature, to becoming symbols of courage and royalty, lions have left an indelible mark on human history. Yet, their survival in the modern world is under threat, necessitating concerted global conservation efforts. So the next time you see a lion, whether in a zoo, a nature documentary, or a coat of arms, remember the remarkable journey of these magnificent creatures. Their story is a testament to their resilience and a reminder of our responsibility to ensure their roar continues to echo for generations to come.